Hello dear friends. It's me Mirai. Welcome to new video. I hope you will enjoy the content and will be helpful for you. What is the Dogecoin? Is a cryptocurrency invented by software engineers Billy Marcuse and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system that is instant, fun, and free from traditional banking fees. Dogecoin features the face of the Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme as its logo and namesake. It was introduced on 6th December 2013 and quickly developed its own online community, reaching a market capitalization of US $5,382,875 on 28 January 2021. Originally created as a joke, Dogecoin was co-founded by IBM software engineer Billy Marcuse from Portland, Oregon, and Adobe software engineer Jackson Palmer, who set out to create a peer-to-peer digital currency that could reach a broader demographic than Bitcoin. In addition, they wanted to distance it from the controversial history of other coins. Dogecoin was officially launched on 6th December 2013. And within the first 30 days, there were over 1 million visitors to Dogecoin.com. At the time, Palmer was a member of the Adobe Systems marketing department in Sydney and is credited with making the idea a reality. Palmer had purchased the domain Dogecoin.com and added a splash screen, which featured the coin's logo and scattered Comic Sans text. Marcuse reached out to Palmer after seeing the site and started efforts to develop the currency. Marcuse had designed Dogecoin's protocol based on existing cryptocurrencies, Lucky Coin and Litecoin, which use SCRYPT technology in their proof-of-work algorithm. The use of SCRYPT means that miners cannot use SHA-256 Bitcoin mining equipment and instead must use dedicated FPGA and ASIC devices for mining, which are known to be more complex to produce. On 25th December 2013, the first major theft of Dogecoin occurred when millions of coins were stolen during a hack on the online cryptocurrency wallet platform DogeWallet. The hacker gained access to the platform's file system and modified its send-receive page to send any and all coins to a static address. This hacking incident spiked tweets about Dogecoin, making it the most mentioned altcoin on Twitter at the time, although it was in reference to a negative event. To help those who lost funds on DogeWallet after its breach, the Dogecoin community started an initiative named Save Dogemas to help donate coins to those who had them stolen. Approximately 1 month later, enough money was donated to cover all of the coins that were stolen. In January 2014, the trading volume of Dogecoin briefly surpassed that of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies combined. However, its market capitalization remained substantially behind that of Bitcoin. Initially, Dogecoin featured a randomized reward that is received for each mining block. However, in March 2014, this behavior was later updated to a static block reward. In April 2015, Jackson Palmer announced he is taking an extended leave of absence from the cryptocurrency community. During 2017 to early 2018 cryptocurrency bubble, Dogecoin briefly reached a peak of $0.017 per coin on 7th January 2018, putting its total market capitalization near $2 billion. In July 2020, the price of Dogecoin spiked following a TikTok trend aiming to get the coin's price to $1. In January 2021, Dogecoin went up over 800% in 24 hours as a result of attention from Reddit users, partially encouraged by Elon Musk and the GameStop short squeeze. In February 2021, Dogecoin hit its all-time high price following Twitter encouragement from Elon Musk, Snoop Dogg, and Gene Simmons, users and exchanges for Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an altcoin with many users. Mainstream commercial applications of the currency have gained traction on internet, such as a tipping system, in which social media users tip others for providing interesting or noteworthy content. Trading physical, tangible items in exchange for Doge takes place on online communities such as Reddit and Twitter, where users frequently share currency-related information. Dogecoin has also been used to try to sell a house and has been used in the pornography and poker industries. Dogetipbot was a cryptocurrency transaction service used on popular sites like Reddit and Twitch. It allowed users to send Dogecoins to other users through commands via Reddit comments. In May 2017, Dogetipbot was discontinued and taken offline after its creator declared bankruptcy. This left many Dogetipbot users losing their coins stored in the Dogetipbot system. Currency supply. Dogecoin started its initial coin production schedule with 100 billion coins in circulation. By mid-2015, the 100 billionth Dogecoin had been mined with an additional 5 billion coins put into circulation every year thereafter. There is currently no implemented hard cap on the total supply of Dogecoins. Initially, Dogecoin had a supply limit of 100 billion coins, which would already have been far more coins than the top digital currencies were allowing. Nonetheless, in February 2014, Dogecoin founder Jackson Palmer announced that the limit would be removed in an effort to create a consistent reduction of its inflation rate over time. The fundraising for Dogecoin. The Dogecoin community and foundation have encouraged fundraising for charities and other notable causes. On 19 January 2014, a fundraiser was established by the Dogecoin community to raise $50,000 for the Jamaican bobsled team, which had qualified for, but could not afford to go to, the Sochi Winter Olympics. By the second day, $36,000 worth of Dogecoin was donated, and the Dogecoin to Bitcoin exchange rate rose by 50%. The Dogecoin community also raised funds for a second Sochi athlete Shiva Keshwan. Doge for Water. Inspired by the Winter Olympics fundraiser and smaller charity fundraising successes, the Dogecoin Foundation, led by Eric Nakagawa, began collecting donations to build a well in the Tana River Basin in Kenya in cooperation with charity Water. They set out to raise a total of 40. NASCAR. Josh Wise Dogecoin sponsored Chevrolet in 2014. On 25 March 2014, the Dogecoin community successfully raised 67.8 million Dogecoins, around $55,000 at the time, in an effort to sponsor NASCAR driver Josh Wise. The car was named the 98 Moon Rocket and made its debut on 4 May 2014 at the ROS 499 Sprint Series Cup Race. 36. On 4 May 2014, Wise and his car were featured for nearly a minute, during which the race commentators discussed Dogecoin and the crowdfunding effort, while finishing 20th and narrowly avoiding multiple wrecks. On 16 May 2014, Wise won a spot at the Sprint All-Star race through an online fan vote-beating household named Danica Patrick, largely due to the efforts of the Dogecoin community. Dear friends, thank you for watching. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the next video. See you in next videos.